Hi, welcome to my channel, Math Made Easy with Laurel. I'm Laurel and I'm in beautiful Mazatlan, Mexico. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use your iPhone calculator to do easy and quick conversions between Mexican pesos and Canadian dollars or US dollars or any other currency. So if you're traveling and you run into prices that aren't in your own currency, it's very easy to convert the price to your currency using your iPhone. First of all, you're going to get the calculator, and then you're going to notice this calculator button in the bottom left. If you press that, you can see the convert function. Just toggle that, and now it's set to convert from Mexican pesos to Canadian dollars. So let's do a few examples. If we were to order eggs to taste for 100 pesos, we just put that amount into the calculator, and that would be equivalent to $7.65 in Canadian dollars. Now, if we wanted to convert that to American dollars, just press that and you have different currencies. So we're going to search here. We can type in USD. And click onto that. So now we can see that 100 Mexican pesos is equivalent to $5.46 in US dollars. You can still do regular calculations with your calculator in this mode, but if you want to switch back, you just toggle off. So again, we're going to press the calculator key, toggle to convert. My friend just ordered this beautiful latte, and if we take a look at the menu, the price was 70 pesos. So what I like to do, two options to clear this. You can use your arrow key, or you can just press equal sign and then do the all clear. But let's put 70 pesos in. That will be equal to $3.82 in US dollars. Let's change to Canadian dollars. 70 pesos is $5.36. I hope that you find this useful.